In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can order your ClickUp tasks alphabetically, by custom fields, or even randomly. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to one of your projects and open your list view. This is where you should see all of your tasks. Now, to use our filters, simply click right here. Now I'm going to show you how to order it alphabetically. Click on select filter and then from the numerous options that you can see on the drop-down menu, click on task name. By default, by clicking on task name, you would order your task alphabetically. So you can see right there. But you can also change this if you go to your filters again in descending order, then it would be changed from Z to A. Now, you can also use this by different kinds of custom fields like end of time off, who is the supervisor, the task type, the due date. All of this can be used by you. So you can order your task however you want to. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.